our story. They remind us of our resilience. Don't shy away from your pain. Let it be your guide. It shows you what needs healing. It points the way forward. Section 1. The art of letting go. The past is a teacher, but we cannot let it define us. Holding on to anger and regret only holds us back. It keeps us stuck. We must learn to forgive. Forgive ourselves. Forgive others. This doesn't mean forgetting. It means releasing the pain. It means choosing peace. Forgiveness is a powerful act of self-love. It frees us from the weight of the past. It allows us to move forward with open hearts, with clear minds. Letting go is not easy. It takes courage, but it is essential for growth. It creates space for something new. To let go, we must first acknowledge our pain. We must sit with our discomfort. We cannot heal what we refuse to feel. Allow yourself to grieve. Allow yourself to cry. These are not signs of weakness. They are signs of strength. They are signs that you are alive, that you are human. Embrace your imperfections. They are what make you unique. They are what make you beautiful. You are not defined by your mistakes. You are defined by your courage to rise above them. Let go of the past. It's time to create a future filled with hope and possibility. Section 2. Dreaming with open eyes. Once you've released the past, you can dream anew. What are your passions? What makes you feel alive? Don't be afraid to dream big. Your dreams are your compass. They point you towards your purpose. Setting goals gives you direction. It gives you something to strive for. It helps you stay motivated, even when things get tough. Make your goals specific and achievable. Break them down into smaller steps. This makes them feel less daunting. Remember, your goals are your own. They don't have to make sense to anyone else. What matters is that they matter to you. Believe in your dreams. Believe in your ability to achieve them. The journey may be long, but the rewards are worth it. Section 3. Cultivating your garden of support. Surround yourself with positivity. Connect with people who lift you up, people who inspire you to be your best self. These are your cheerleaders. They will be there for you through thick and thin. Toxic relationships drain your energy and hold you back. It's okay to distance yourself from people who bring you down. You deserve to be surrounded by love and support, to be celebrated for who you are. Positive relationships nourish your soul. They give you strength, they give you hope, and they remind you of your worth. Seek out mentors. Seek out friends who believe in you. Seek out those who see your potential. Remember, you are not alone. We all need support. Reach out to others. Build a community of love and encouragement. This is where you will find strength. This is where you will find healing. Section 4. The power of tiny steps. Change takes time. It's a gradual process. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Focus on taking small steps every day. These small steps add up. They lead to big transformations. Celebrate your progress. Acknowledge your efforts. Every step forward is a victory. Don't be afraid to stumble. It's part of the process. An opportunity to learn and grow. Pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and keep going. Persistence is key. There will be days when you want to give up, when you feel like you're not making progress. It's in these moments that you need to dig deep. Remember why you started. Remember your goals. You are stronger than you think. You are more capable than you know. Believe in yourself. Believe in your journey. The path to self-discovery is not always easy, but it is always worth it. Section 5. Rising from the ashes. You have the power within you to overcome any obstacle. Embrace your past, set new goals, surround yourself with positivity, take small steps, and most importantly, believe in yourself. You are a work in progress, and that's okay. Embrace the journey. Embrace the unknown. There is beauty in the broken. There is strength in vulnerability. There is hope in new beginnings. The world